Philippines.
Mas nalas na yung sinili na ngayon.
Hmm?
Bumagay.
Oo, ibubong na agad nga eh.
Lalo kung magbili ka pa ng ano, magbili ka ng sculpture, may pinto pa na yun. Halangin natin kung paano kaya pa.
Kasi, hello. Good morning. Ta-da. Against the light. Better. Hello. Nakalive ako sa YouTube.
May YouTube ako, hindi mo na ako nakakuha. Tingnan mo, mayroon na ako kuha sa YouTube.
Hi, Alcival. Hello, good morning, love. Love. Good morning. My brother.
Paano makita na ako siya?
Nag-comments.
Nakitext?
Comment.
Kung
Namimiss kita. Aking sita. Never pull. Nevis pull. What nevis pull? What means nevis pull? Hi, Jose. Hello, Jose. Hi, Jose. Costa. Hello, everyone. Hi, thank you. Good morning, Sheryl. How are you? Good morning, guys. I'm fine. How are you? Good evening there in US, guys. Hello, Jose. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the 9 people. Thank you for against the light. I am fine, thank you. Thank you. Jose, I don't understand what it means. Jose. What means Buanoy curious of me? Hi for the 18 people. Hello. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Jose, English, please. Guys who didn't know how to speak English. Thank you guys for joining. How are you there in US? Against the light. Against the light. Myanmar. Okay.
Rinig mo to? Rinig mo? Kapag muli namin ng
Saan? Adiri, ambot lang. More. Nasa. What means? What it mean? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Thank you. Both of them, what means the Jose? Conmigo. Conmigo. Yes. Thank you for the 8 people watching. Thank you for. Shall give gas back, moderator. Really? I give back? You want? Okay. Thank you, them. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I forgot how. Hello. I forget how. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Gas only. Gas only. Hi, morning, Bernardo Suarez. Good morning, Bernardo Suarez. Hi. Why gas only? Dixa, Sir Grande Amor. This Hua Vida. What it means to say? How's that? Because I said so. Okay. Okay. What means lento? What it means so say? Yan ito ng asakyan yun dun. Nagkaarano na yan. Nagkararaot na mga motor hulagano na ha. Ano ito? Ano naman yan? Hila? Ah, sayang naman. Ah. Ah, yun yung gamaganyan. Mga ayun yung mga pati ito. Mga pati motor. Kasi English or I kick. Dagano no ha? Dibali nang hindi matubos, no? Kay kon ano. Yung mga kotse ito, mga bangga ng kotse. Matutubos pa ba? Yan. Ito sayang sa ito na banuha.
Nakapatay yan.
Ganyan. Tapos may truck pa oh.
Yata bulok na ng Vanex. Katabi namin ng bayan, ganyan.
Ren.
May sariling subdivision yan. Sariling subdivision yan. Ang laki ng panyan.
XD Logistic.
Lahat nagtrabaho sa XD. Doon ang katira.
Guys, you still there? Hello, beautiful. Hi, Danielle. Hello, Danielle. How are you guys? We're fine, Danielle. You, how are you? Fine. Yung mga motor, sayang sa mga motor, ha? Dito yung ibabaragsakan ko, ng mga ano.
Naglahat mo din naman.
Ha?
Naglahat mo.
Ang buti ko rin.
Ano pinapakita natin sa...
Did you add
Ano,
him
si
back?
Kuya?
Yes,
Kita
I
natin.
add him back.
Ito ang narating din.
But now he goes. But now he goes. Maybe ano, he's busy. He's busy. Hi, Che. Hello, Ansan. Kumusta?
Jogging na, sir. Ano ka?
Where are you, Sorsogon? Nandito ako, Sorsogon. Maatab pa kadi. Ba, nag-ano ka doon? Kaata ba? Oo nga eh. May importante lang na nilakaw, ganyan. Nasikaso. Alas 8 pa, ano? Bukas. Hasana, I'm gonna let you go. Hi, Jose. Nagmahaw muna kita atab pa. Oo nga ni eh. Oh my God. Why you, ano, she is my cousin. Oh my God. Tim, she's my cousin. Di niya, ano. Hi, Bruno. Wrong person. She's my cousin. Oh my God. Can you turn back? Get her out. No. Oh my goodness. Hi, Bruno Silva. I did the wrong person. Oh my God. Say sorry to my cousin. Can you turn back? Check. my goodness. Thank you for the thumbs up. Against the light. You had to do it. Click on one of her messages and take her out of timeout. Okay, I try, but I didn't see her messages. I didn't see. Oh my goodness.